I think more often than not, we just associate like mono as like a bad thing, but especially in this context, mono actually sounded better than stereo. I initially just wanted it to like pan around in the stereo field, but just having it in stereo, it was kind of like, it didn't sound as accurate in the stereo field. So like, if you think of it like this, if we had something like this wide, for example, and we're putting like a stereo panning thing on it, it's just gonna like move around like this, and it's gonna be kind of hard to pinpoint where that actual sound is coming from because it's such a wide sound. So I put on a utility, pick whichever side you want, left or right. See up the top here how we've got a left channel and a right channel. So picking either left or right, it will just take one of those sides and just only use that signal. You can also go stereo and then turn the width down to 0, but what it's gonna do is it's gonna fold these two in together and they'll be layered over the top of each other. It might sound great, but it can sometimes lead to like phase issues. So just pick like the left or the right side, and then you've just got kind of like one signal in the stereo field. And then after that, I put on the panning plugin. So now instead of it being like this and moving around like this, and it just kind of clouding up the mix, it's just this single signal pans around and you can kind of a lot more accurately hear where it's coming from. Then after that, I just pushed it into this tape plugin just for a little bit of like distortion.